is 0. Therefore, y here is equal to 7. What's your answer here? Oh yeah, you got it correctly. Okay. Yeah. Were you the one who answered this one? Okay. So, next one is number 4. Let's try number 4. That is 2x over 5 minus 3 over 10 equals 9 over 10. So you need to get the LCM for the denominator. Okay, 10. We can multiply both sides by 10. So this would become 2x over 5 times 10 minus 3 over 10 times 10 equals 9 over 10 times 10. So you just have to multiply each of the expressions or terms. Then this one cancels out. Then you are left with 2x times 10 over 5, right? And you can also do that. Okay, so let's do that. You cancel 5 here. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is just 2x times 2 is 4x minus 3 equals 9. And then we add 3 to both sides. Then we have 4x equals 9 plus 3 is 12. Then 4x equals 12. We divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 3. What's your answer here? Your answer is correct. Okay, then move to number 5. We have x over 2 minus 3 equals 2 minus 3x over 4. It seems like somebody else joined the live board. It started with, the name is A. Who is A? Yeah, somebody joined here. Yeah, it's, after my name, M, and then it says A. You don't see it? Oh, that's strange. Who is this? Oh my god. Yeah, I will check the rest of the live boards, because it seems like I cannot open my original live board anymore. Okay, so LCM here is 4. You can multiply both sides by 4. So this would become 4 times x over 2 minus 3 times 4 equals 2 times 4 minus 3x over 4 times 4. Alright? Then this one, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 4 here cancels out, so we can simplify. 2 times x is 2x minus 3 times 4 is 12 equals 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3x. Then we add 12 to both sides. This cancels out. That is 0. So we're left with 2x equals 8 plus 12 is 20 minus 3x. Then we can add 3x to both sides. This is 0. Then our equation would become 2x plus 3x is 5x equals 20. Why I added 12 here on the left and right? To get rid of the 12 on the left, because we need to group like terms. Group. Yeah, you can also. Yeah, you can. Yeah. You can also do like that. If you want to move the constants on the left, actually you can do like this. Let me show you. you can just move directly negative 12 to the right, that will become positive, and then you move negative 3x to the left, that will become positive. Yeah, I just did it that way, so you'd fully understand it. Then we divide. So x here is 4. What's your answer? Your answer is 1. Yeah, why did you get 1? Yes. I'm now doubtful for my answer, because your answer is 1. So x over 2 minus 3 equals 2 minus 3x over 4. Your answer is 1. X equals 1. Okay. Now let me just check. Yeah, but I'm checking it. What if my answer is wrong? 2x minus 12 equals 8 minus 3x. Then 8 plus 12, 20. 2, okay. Yeah, should be equal to 4. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. We're on number 6. 3 halves plus 3x over 5 equals 9 over 2 plus 4x over 5. So what's the LCM here? 2, but you have 5. Yeah, what's the LCM of 5 and 2? The smallest number that multiple of that. 10. You can just multiply 5 into 10. Yes, it should be 10. Yeah, because if you say 4, 4 is not divisible by 5. Yeah, so it should be 10. Then we multiply 10 to both sides. We'll see. Maybe your answer is correct. 3x over 5 times 10 equals 9 over 2 times 10 plus 4x over 5 times 10. Okay, then, okay, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then we can simplify. 3 times 5 plus 3x times 2 equals 9 times 5 plus 4x times 2. Can you see that? So this is 15 plus 6x equals 45 plus 8x. Then we can group like terms. We can subtract 15 first from both sides. So we're left with 6x equals 45 minus 15, 30 plus 8x. Okay. Then we further simplify that. Let me change the color. Yeah, 6x equals 30 plus 8x minus 8x. Then 6x minus 8x. Okay, negative 2x equals 30. Then we divide both sides by negative 2. Yes, so x is equal to negative 15. So what's your answer here? 6 to 60? Yeah. What were you doing? Yeah. Yeah, but you did the first 2 problems correctly. Yeah. Okay. So we move on to 25. Regions. Where is that? Yeah, this one, 7/3 times x plus 9 over 28. This one, number 25. Okay, so let's do this. This is just similar to this. Which value of x satisfies the equation? So you solve for the value of x. So we have here 7/3. Is this 7/3? X plus 9 over 28 equals 20. Okay, so we divide both sides by 7/3 first. And we divide both sides by 7/3. So 7/3 cancels out. Then we're left with x plus 9 over 28 equals 20 over 7/3. We flip and we change the operator sign. So this would become 20 times 3 over 7. Right? So x plus 9 over 28 equals, what is 20 times 3? Okay, so this is 60 over 7. And then we subtract this, we subtract 9 over 28 from both sides. Let me change the color. 9 over 28 minus 9 over 28. So this cancels out. Then our equation would become x equals 60 over 7 minus 9 over 28. Then we get the LCD. The smallest number is 28, right? Smallest number that can divide both 7 and 28. So 28 divided by 7. What is 28 divided by 7? Huh? No, 28 divided by 7. How many 7? Yeah, how many 7s are there in 28? Yeah, 4. Then 4 times 60 minus 9. So what is 4 times 60? Yeah, 240 minus 9. Okay, so this is 231 over 28. But you don't have 231 over 28 in your choices, so you need to divide that. You can either use long division or use your calculator. Yeah, but then your answer, the choices here are in decimal. Yes, you're right. Yeah, from the very beginning, you can also multiply both sides by 3. So you don't have to deal with the fraction. Oh, yeah. Why did I? Yeah, because the first thing that came to my mind was to get rid of 7/3. So I divided like both sides. But yeah, you can also multiply. You can also multiply. Yeah, right. You want to do it with that one, multiplying both sides by 3. Yeah, see, x plus 9 over 28 equals 20. So when you multiply it by 3, so this would become 7 times x plus 9 over 28 equals 60. You'll be dealing with fractions, the same thing, because you will divide both sides by 7. See? So you'll be left with fractions still. See? It's the same. Yeah, then you subtract both sides, 9 over 28 from both sides. Then you'll be dealing with fractions. You divide, or you can multiply, 28. Oh, okay. If you want to distribute, you can too. Oh, okay. Let's try that. So if you want to distribute that, yeah, 7x plus 9. Okay, 28 is divisible by 7, so this will become 9 over 4. Yeah, and this is 60. So you still have fractions there. You have 4, so you can multiply both sides by 4. So this is 28x plus 9. What is 60 times 4? 240. Then you subtract both sides, 9 from both sides. So you have 28x equals 240. You can divide both sides by 28. So x is, why is it 231 over 28. The same answer. Yeah, whichever way is more convenient for you. As long as you do it correctly, then you will get the same answer. Okay, so let's move on to 26. What is the value of x in the equation? This is x minus 2 over 3 plus, is that plus or minus? Yeah, because you drew something there. You have to make sure. Plus? Okay, plus 1 over 6 equals 5 over 6. Okay, we can multiply both sides by 3. No, by 6. So this would become x minus 2 over 3 times 6 plus 1 over 6 times 6 equals 5 over 6 times 6. Then multiple. Yeah, it's 6. One day won't come. Okay, what if you cannot find it? Then you deal with the fractions. What if like you don't know what LCM is? Then you deal with the fractions. You subtract both sides by 1/6. 1 over 6. This one. You get rid of the 1 over 6. And then you cross multiply. Or you multiply 3 to 5. To whatever the result of 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6. You want to do that? Okay, but your lesson is about LCM. Okay, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this cancels out. So we're left with x minus 2 times 2 plus 1 equals 5. So this, you distribute 2. This one. So this is 2x minus 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then we have 2x minus 3 equals 5. Then we add 3 to both sides. Then we're left with 2x equals 8. Then we divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 4. Oh, your answer is correct. Yeah, you answered 4. And even for number 1, your answer is 8.25. Yeah, you answered it correctly. Okay. No questions on this? Yeah. Okay. we move on to number 28. We have 5 over 6 times 3 over 8 minus x equals 16. Okay, what do you think we're going to do here first? Yeah, that would be that would make a large number. Or okay, so we multiply 6 on both sides. Because I want to get rid of 5 over 6, I will divide both sides by 5 over 6. So, yes, because that would give you a big number. Because there's nothing to cancel out there. Or maybe you can cancel out 3. Okay, so let's just multiply 6 to both sides. So this would become 5. 5 times 3 over 8 minus x equals, what is 16 times 6? Okay, 96. Then, you want to distribute 5 or you want to divide both sides by 5? Okay, so this would become 5 times 3 over 8 minus 5x equals 96. It will be just the same story. So this would become 15 over 8 minus 5x equals 96. So we subtract 15 over 8 from both sides. Yeah. So this cancels out. So our equation would become negative 5x equals 96 minus 15 over 8. So what is 96 minus 15 over 8? So LCD is 8. 8. What is 8 times 96? Yeah. Because this is over 1. 768 minus 5. So this is 768 minus 5. 763 over 8. Then, yeah, we divide, and then we divide 5, negative 5. Then x, 763 over 8 times 1 over negative 5. Yeah, it will be the same. Yeah. Actually, you can write here. So this would be 700. Our x would be, change that to blue. Our x would be 763 over negative 40. So what is that? I think you need to use a calculator. Are you allowed to use a calculator? Okay, so 763 divided by 40, that is negative 19.075. How come it's not in the choices? Maybe we made a mistake. So you multiply both sides by 6, so you're left with 5 times 3 over 8 minus x equals 16 times 6 is 96. Yeah, 15 over 8 minus 5x equals 96. Then 96 minus 15 over 8. Yeah, minus 96. So that is 94. 94. Divide 5. Oh, we made a mistake. Yeah, okay. Because 96 minus, okay, 96 minus 15 over 8. Right? Then 8. 8 times 96. 96 is 768. This is 15 because I subtracted it to only 5. So 768 minus 15. This should be 753. Then 753 divided by 8. So that is, we get rid of 5, 753. This is 753. So this is 753. Let me change that. I'll show you how to subtract fractions after. 753 over negative 40. So 753 divided by negative 40. That is 18.825. A negative 18.825. So the answer here from the choices is the second one. Yeah. It's quite long, right? Yeah, but did you get it? Looking at your solution, that one is okay. Your solution is just you didn't finish it till the end. Why? You gave up? you easily gave up? Oh no, you shouldn't give up. Okay, what was your question again? How to subtract? Okay, you give me fractions. What fractions would you want to subtract? What happened to your pen? You can change the thickness of your pen. Are you using a physical pen or just your mouse? Oh, that would be hard. It would take forever. That would take 9 years. 15 over 1? What's that? 15. Oh, that's kanji. Oh no, Chinese character. Oh no, I don't know how to read that. That's really hard. Okay. 5 over 3 minus 4 over 6. Okay, but you can reduce 4 over 6. Yeah, you can reduce this 2 over, yeah. So 5 over 3 minus 2 over 3. They have the same denominator, so you just subtract the numerator directly. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 3. Okay, let me give you. What if 7 over 6 minus, let's say, 1 over 8? That one. What is the smallest number that can both divide 6 and 8? You just multiply 8 and 6. And if you, okay? Yeah, if you're having a hard time. So, what is 8 times 6? Okay, 48. Then 48 divided by 6 is 8, right? So 8 times the numerator 7, then copy the operator sign minus. Then 48, you do the same thing to the other fraction. 48 divided by 8 is 6 times 1. Then you simplify. You got that? What's that? I don't understand what's happening there. Okay, 7 over 8. No. Yeah, you have to multiply the numerator because they have different denominators. So you do like this, 48 divided by 6 times the numerator. And then you do the same thing to the other fraction, 48 divided by 8 times 1. Then you simplify that, you get the final answer. Okay, is that clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? All right. The value of x, which makes, okay, 2/3 1/4 x minus 2 equals 1/5 times 4/3 x minus 1. Okay, we solve for x. Wow, this is a lot. So maybe we'll just distribute. Yeah. Or we multiply both sides by 15. Because 15 is the multiple. No, LCM of 3 and 5. Yeah. Yeah, but then if you multiply 3 there, you need to multiply on the other side too. So it's better to multiply 15. Yeah. If you do, whatever you do to one side, you have to do it to the other side too, to be equal. So we just multiply by 15. Yeah. So this would become 2/3 times 15, right? Times 1/4 x minus 2 equals 1/5 times 15 times 4/3 x minus 1. Then, okay, 15 is divisible by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we're left with 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 times 1/4 x minus 2 equals 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that is 1 times 3, 3 times 4/3 x minus 1. And now we can distribute. We can distribute 10 here. So this would become 10 times 1/4 x is 10/4x minus 20. Then this one, 3 times 4/3 x is just 4/4, only 4. Only 4 because, yeah, 3 times 4/3 x, 3 cancels out here. So we're left with only 4x. You're overwhelmed with this? A lot of numbers. Then 3 times -1 is minus 3. You can do it, Tina. You're smart. Okay. Then, okay, we group like terms. We add 20 to both sides. So the equation would become 10/4x equals 4x plus 17, because 20 minus 3 is 17, right? Then let me get rid of this. Can I erase the top part? Okay, so we have 10/4x equals 4x plus 17. Then we subtract both sides of 4x from both sides. So we have 10/4x minus 4x equals 17. Now we can solve for x. We get the LCD. 4. Yeah, so this is 10x minus, this is 4/1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16x equals 17. Are you okay? 10x minus 16x is -6x/4 equals 17. Oh, 16. From here, because you get the LCD, 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Yes. So we have negative 16 over 4x equals 17. So you can multiply both sides by 4. Then we have negative 16x. What is 17 times 4? 68. Then we divide both sides by negative 16. So x is equal to 68 divided by negative 16. Is that 4.25? How come the answer is different? Maybe there's a mistake. Because we multiplied everything by 15, right? 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then 5 times 2 is 10. So we have this. 10 times 1/4 x minus 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we have this. Then we distributed 10 over 4x minus 20. Then 4x minus 3. Then we get rid of 20. Then we have 10x. 10x over 4 equals 4x plus 17. Then 10x minus 4x equals 17. Yeah, I wonder why we don't have answers, the same answer from your choices. 10 divide 4 minus 4. So negative 1.5, 17 divided by 1.5. Oh, okay. 16, 4 divided by 1 is 4. 16. Oh, it should be negative 6. It's not 16, negative 6. Yeah, what's going on? So 68 divided by 6. So that's 11. Negative 11. Yeah, negative 11.333. No, calculus is more complicated. Calculus is like this. Let me show you. Calculus is like this. dy over dx, like that. That is differential. You get the derivative. If you do integral calculus, you get integral of like sine x dx, like that. That is integral calculus. So it's more complicated. Math and physics? Health? No. Maybe they don't. Maybe they don't need. But some, they have to like take exams. Because I have some students who are like in the medical field. Nurses, like dentists and doctors. Yes. They still need math. Like 30s. Some, yeah, 40s. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I even had before, but that was English, a 75-year-old student. Japanese, yeah. Hey, like, do you have questions on this? Did you understand everything? Did you feel dizzy because you're using like liniment oil there? Okay. Okay, which one? Oh. Okay, so let's do, can we do number 38? Why is it 28, 29, 38? That's strange. Yeah? Why? Negative 2/3 times x plus 12 plus 2/3 x equals 5. Is that negative 5? Negative 5 over 4. Yeah, you check it if it's correct. Negative 2/3 times x plus 12 plus 2/3 x equals negative 5 over 4x plus 2. Yeah. What are we going to do here? Maybe we should multiply both sides by 12. Because 12 is the smallest number that can divide both 3 and 4. So we can get rid of the fractions. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? You decide. If you want to distribute, then it's still okay, but it will be a bit complicated. Yes, it'll be simpler because you get rid of the fractions. Okay? Yeah, let's do that. So that is negative 2/3 times 12 times x plus 12 plus 2/3 x times 12 equals negative 5 over 4x times 12 plus 2 times 12. Yeah, that's easier. Yeah, it's just long, but it's easier. Okay, then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we're left with 4 here. So negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 times x plus 12 plus 12. Yes, whatever you do to on the right, you will also do it on the other side. Yes, to each term. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then we're left with 4 times 2x is 8x. Then, yeah, because we're left with 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. So 8x. Then here, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Are you getting it? What do you mean by chance? Okay, let me do this one by one, all right? So it won't be confusing. So we're left with 4 here, right? Because we already divided 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is just negative 2 times 4 times x plus 12. That one is understandable. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we're left with 2x times 4. We will do it later. We just have to copy it. Yes, we have to multiply. Okay. Not yet. And then here, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 times negative 5x. And then what is 12 times 2? That is 24, right? Okay, then we simplify. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 times x plus 12. Then 2x times 4 is 8x. Then negative 5x times 3 is negative 15x plus 24. Then now you distribute. You distribute 8 to x plus 12. So this is negative 8x. What is negative 8 times 12? Okay, 96 plus 8x equals negative 15x plus 28. You should be happy because you have negative 8x and 8x. You can just cancel that. Yay! Yeah, and then you'll be left with negative 96 equals negative 15x plus 28. And now you can solve for x. So we're left with y. So we have negative 96 equals negative 15x plus 28. Then we add 15x to both sides. So this cancels out. I hope we didn't miss something. Okay, and then we have 15x minus 96 equals 28. You can, but then I want to put x on the left. That's why. Yeah. And then you add 96 to both sides, but it will be the same thing. So we'll be left with 15x equals, what is 28 plus 96? So 124. Then our x would be 124 over 15. Okay, so 8.267. Oh, it doesn't have any choices there. Wow. Was that tough? Real tough? Yeah, I think you need to practice on this more. And you sent me like 2 problems like yesterday and the other day. Yeah. Yeah, you need to study more. Maybe we can have 3 lessons in 1 week. If you need to. Yeah, 3 or every day if you can. Yeah, but you don't have much time. So maybe like 3 lessons, that one is enough. Do you have chemistry? Biology? Biology is not chemistry. But then I also help other students with biology. AP biology, do you have? What's that? Can you say it again? Oh, okay. Can you maybe try to send me? Can you send me notes? Let me check, because I teach some students AP biology. Maybe that one is more advanced than the one you have.